What if one kitchen faucet could give you 3 different water styles, install in under 25 minutes, and still look like a high-end upgrade? Today, we're taking a close look at the AVSIILE brushed nickel kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer and soap dispenser. It claims to combine style, durability, and everyday convenience. But does it actually live up to the hype? Stick around until the end to find out if this is the right faucet for your kitchen, RV, or farmhouse sink. Product overview. Let's start with what makes the AVSIILE brushed nickel kitchen faucet stand out. First, it features a 14-inch pull-down sprayer, giving you plenty of reach for rinsing dishes, washing vegetables, and filling large pots. This extended reach is especially helpful for deep sinks and busy kitchens. One of its most unique features is the 3-mode spray system. Stream mode for precise, controlled water flow. Sweep mode for powerful, wide area cleaning. Waterfall mode, which delivers a smooth, gentle flow, perfect for rinsing produce or adding a modern touch to your sink. Build quality and design. The faucet is made from food-safe 304 stainless steel, providing excellent resistance to rust, corrosion, and everyday wear. The brushed nickel finish is fingerprint resistant and easy to clean, helping it stay looking new with minimal maintenance. Installation and performance. Installation is beginner-friendly. The faucet supports 1 to 4-hole sinks, and everything you need, deck plate, mounting hardware, and soap dispenser, comes right in the box. AVSIILE claims installation takes under 25 minutes and no plumbers required. Inside, it uses a high-quality ceramic valve, tested for over 500,000 cycles, ensuring smooth handle movement and a leak-free experience for years. Pros and cons. Pros. Stylish brushed nickel finish that fits modern and classic kitchens. 3 spray modes, including a premium waterfall option. Durable 304 stainless steel construction. Easy DIY installation with all parts included. Smooth one-handle control for temperature and flow. Built-in soap dispenser for added convenience. Cons. Waterfall mode may have slightly lower pressure than stream mode. The modern design may not suit very traditional kitchen styles. Final verdict. Overall, the AVSIILE brushed nickel kitchen faucet offers excellent value for price. It combines smart features, modern design, and durable materials into one complete package. This faucet is a great choice for home kitchens, farmhouse sinks, RVs, campers, laundry rooms, or bar sinks. If you want a stylish, practical upgrade that's easy to install and doesn't require hiring a plumber, this faucet is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, hit the like button. Subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews. And check the link in the description to see the latest price and deals on the AVSIILE brushed nickel kitchen faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.